Today is 11/20/24. We are installing a used stove, and we just connect all the lines using Teflon yellow tape. We have ourselves a gas combustible gas detector, and the gas is on. No audible sounds there. Following the line. Nothing there. Gonna snuff each burner. That's good. We're gonna lift this up. And we're gonna snuff the gas line right here. And it's nice and quiet. No leaks there. No leaks. Okay, and then the last thing we want to do is we want to prove that this thing actually works. So we're going to put the sniffer there, turn on some gas. Gas is on, and the unit is alive. All right, so we're going to turn it off. So we're all set.